before a phone or device reaches your hands. It exists as raw material in a mysterious shipment. What you see here is the raw chemistry of Apple's next-generation products.
The battle for titanium rages against the elements, deep within the Fjordlands.
These massive containers hold fifth-grade titanium and sapphire crystals hidden from the world. Every atom, every gram here is the foundation of the most anticipated device of the last 10 years, the iPhone Fold. All these secrets turn into precision within this factory. Welcome to a clean, perfect room. And here we go. What's here? Powerful machines with autonomous systems working in sync with sub-micron precision. Just watch and witness how things are made. Folding is not bending, it is choreography. To make such a thin, strong device, Apple had to rewrite all its structural rules, and it succeeded.
The chassis isn't just a shell, it's the foundation of everything we build.
Watch how large volume CNC machines perfectly carve midnight purple matte titanium. If it fails here, an iPhone can never be made. It simply cannot be. That's why precision is always our only option. While making a foldable screen for this product is easy, making a flawless screen is not easy at all. Here, light bends without refraction, and pixels move without leaving a trace. Behind all this, the A20 Pro works perfectly on an atomic scale. This is not just power, it is control at the smallest possible micro level. Heat is the enemy of performance in all electronic products. To keep the fold incredibly thin, the cooling system had to be invisible and work well. Heat is directed away before it can be felt. Each internal component is designed to do its job silently, efficiently, and without distraction. We can say that Apple has produced the most perfect device in this regard. And finally, that magnificent birth occurs silently. After thousands of tests, the final titanium screws are locked into place. For the first time, the startup animation appears on an 8-inch screen. No gaps, no glitches, no flaws. The devices are loaded onto pallets and await their turn to be transported by cargo planes, carrying the evolution of the smartphone to every corner of the world. The wait is almost over. The future doesn't arrive, the future unfolds. IT is built. The iPhone fold is real and is about to change everything. Subscribe to be a pioneer of this revolution.